welcome to my channel, Styling with Ju, short for Juline. Some people like to call me Ju, some people like to call me Juju or Auntie Juju. So I like to style hair. I have my own consistent clients, however I love to style hair for weddings and events. I love styling brides. I do. I love doing wedding parties. Despite COVID and a lot of cancellation, I still was able to have 6 weddings this past few months, and I do look forward to next year as well. Here to tell you a little about my channel. I am heavy on DIY. I love to find ways to learn to do stuff, find ways to simplify life sometimes. Like sometimes I just don't want to pay somebody to do something. I just want to learn how to do it. I'm all about saving money sometimes, and I love to learn new things. I love to learn how to do things, and I love being hands-on. I like to teach myself. If I don't know how to do it, we do what everybody do, like you're here right now, YouTube. This channel won't just be about styling hair. No, it's gonna be about things that I like to do. I'm a type of person, if I find something that I'm interested in, I'm gonna find a way to learn how to do it or make it. Yes, I am. I'm determined. I'm a determined person. Like, I'm gonna learn it. It might not be the right way. It might, but it will still work. It's gonna still work somehow. Like, I like to sew. I do. I like to sew. I'm still learning. I used to have a neighbor who was a seamstress, and I would go over every now and then and see what she's working on, just to learn a few things. And like, I would have her do some stuff for me. She did my prom dress. I'm not sure of that. She did my prom dress. She started the night before my prom and finished right before I had to leave for prom. Bruh. I've sewn stuff for myself here and there. Like this dress right here, Easter outfit. This was my first outfit that I did for myself. People loved it. People asked me to make it for them. I'm sure a real seamstress would have been like, what did you sew? However, it was wearable, okay? It was very wearable. But since then, I've gotten better. I've never actually completed this dress, but you would thought it was complete, but I know it wasn't complete. So my friend got married last year, and like I said, I like to save money sometimes. So this was the outfit. And I got the dress off of Mercari. This dress cost $200, and I got it off of Mercari for 30 bucks. Yes, I did. It was my size, however, it was tailored for the girl who wore it before. So it was a little bit tight up here, and it was a little tad short. 3 places I went to told me because of where the seam is at, they can't add a split. I'm like, it's possible. What you mean you can't add a split? Because where's that? You can't add a split. So of course, I did it myself. You wouldn't be able to tell. You would have thought this is how the dress came. Nope. I like to work out. And one thing I'm working on right now is sewing my own workout tops. I like faith-based shirts, and I do spend a lot of money on, when I go to events, on these hoodies and shirts and stuff like that. So last year I told myself that I will start making my own shirts to rock. So here's an example of one right here. It's where some things I'm working on. These 2 things I did over this past summer. So yeah, I'm slowly teaching myself on how to do some stuff. I always say when I have a daughter, I'm gonna make her some outfits. That's one thing I'm looking forward to, just to making cute little outfits. Me and my friend like to do our own DIYs when it comes to our church dance ministry. Sometimes we don't have time to order uniforms, so we just spend like $2 or $3 on some fabric, and voila. You would think we ordered it. Nope. DIYs. I found different ways to make it work. During COVID, I made some masks for me and some of my family members, and I would go into the store and people would just ask, where did you get that from? And slowly I would make some custom masks per request. I would never advertise, but people just would hit me up for custom masks and be like, why aren't you advertising? I'm like, honestly, because I have a daytime job. I do have a job, so I don't have time to really commit to advertising and taking orders. And shoes. If you know me, you know I like shoes. So like, I've done some custom made shoes by request as well, especially for our Haitian Flag Day. that's usually a big hit. Some things I do just for fun, or just cause I want to learn it. So like if I make a few dollars here and there, that's cool. Another thing is I'm a little handy dandy. My father likes to joke around and call me the son that he never had. But there was a phase where I was so into loft beds that I built my own bed. Of course, that didn't last. He took it down. And over the summer, my friend had a bohemian style dinner and I put some pallets together and created a long table. So last year I had the privilege of going to Puerto Rico for a missions trip. And while I was there, I got so excited when I got to use big dog machines for construction. We got a chance to work up 3 houses and I got a high when it came to using the nail gun. I'm so into arts and craft. I used to be an art major in high school, and though I didn't stay in that field, I still like to do some pieces. I randomly here and there I do pieces as gifts for friends and family. I don't currently sell pieces. So I had a friend over the years who would always be on me like, I'm waiting for you to put out a piece. Can you please put out your own piece, please? And when I finally decided to get started on it, he passed away and I stopped. I did. Months later, I decided to do a piece for a friend as a gift, and it was very therapeutic working on that painting. So currently I just do pieces by request. I have yet to do the piece that I said I was going to work on. I'm just not ready. So I had 2 sewing machines and I gave one up so I can make room for my new baby, Circuita. A circuit maker. Oh, how I love my circuit maker. Like I got it over the summer, and I've slowly been learning different things, to do different crafts using that machine, and it's bad. Like I love it. So me and my nephew and my little cousin, we decided over summer that we would start an Etsy store. So I'm still training them, and I plan to share that store in the next video. I'm just happy that they want to get in. I'm happy that they're interested and wanting to learn. It just reminds me of me growing up. I always had a hustle. Like I always had a side hustle in high school and grade school. I was the type of person I never wanted to ask my parents for money, and they would get upset like, ask us for money, like we're your parents, why can't you ask us for money? But I was always the one to yeah, I was always doing something, always making money. I started doing hair in middle school, 6th grade, yeah, well, I was 6th grade, so I started doing hair. I was doing cornrows. My mom used to be a hairstylist, so that's how I kind of learned, watching her and having dolls growing up as well. My godmother used to always give me some baby dolls. So yeah, that's how I got into doing hair. So I'm all about helping my friends save money. Like if I know how to do something, I prefer to help you instead of having you spend money having someone do it or ordering online. So like I'm excited to help my friend work on her bridesmaid gifts for her bridesmaids, and I got a chance to help this past month on these cute little bags. I've helped some friends with bridal shower invites, baby shower invites, and I'm glad to see what this machine does when it comes to wedding invites. Over the years, I've done a lot of decorating for my church events. That's something I like to do. I like to decorate. I like to decorate a lot. I just love being creative, finding ways to be creative, especially when it comes to food. I love to cook. Growing up, I used to always have like cookbooks. Like I still got some old cookbooks from like middle school that I saved. I can literally sit and watch the cooking channel all day long while I work. Yeah. So this channel won't just be about styling here, but styling other things that I like to do. Styling for events, interior, decor, just doing DIYs for some of these events or for your house crafts as gifts as well. I hope you're ready to style with me, Styling with Ju.